Until the 20th century, reality was everything humans could touch, smell, see, and hear. Since the initial publication of the Charted Electromagnetic Spectrum, it had been calculated that what we touch, smell, see, and hear is less than 1/1,000,000th of reality. Perhaps, in the 21st century, we'll be able to close the gap of our knowledge of what reality actually is. As explained in The Power of the Mind, applied to Pol Theory, the balancing of negative and positive energy enables the mind to be controlled. Also, the sensing of positive and negative energy can enable a person to sense good or bad events, places, or people. When the theory is applied to the human mind, unlike the natural balance that would occur in nature, our minds would be influenced by our own and others' vibes, thus creating an unbalance that in turn releases the energy that is in a higher concentration. It is the negative and positive energy that is felt, I believe, would be our sixth sense. In Pol Theory, there is a positive P and a negative L energy that collide in the O. The pole acts as the source of both energies. When the O is balanced, it is known as the yin-yang. However, in a human mind, these energies are normally unbalanced and gives off what is commonly known as a good or bad vibe. It is the vibe or vibes that is felt would act as a sense that we can recognize. This, I believe, is our sixth sense. Some of us can know when something wrong has happened or going to happen through what is known as intuition. It is this intuition, I believe, that is the occurrence from our mind picking up on a negative or positive energy which has a connection with our own. Normally, intuition is between loved ones where a natural connection has developed. If the connection is broken, weakened, or stronger, it can be felt by the other person. Thus one can tell if something is wrong or right with the loved one. It is these mental connections that can be witnessed when a group of females are living in the same space. If a group of females become close, the mental connection between them forms. This connection is witnessed through when each of their menstrual cycles become in tune with each other. These mental connections are also made when males become close. It is also an effect when both genders become close. Unfortunately, due to males not experiencing menstrual cycles, there is no biological proof that they have become in tune with each other. Through the recognition of a person's vibe, we are able to sense their emotions. For example, we could sense if they are happy, sad, angry, or nervous. Animals would use this recognition of the vibe to understand other animals' intentions. It is from the natural absorption of positive and negative vibes that they communicate without the use of words. Animals also communicate with body language, but I believe the vibe would also contribute to their communications. It is through giving off and receiving each other's vibes that could be seen as a form of communication, or as a way of telepathy. If we can fully understand a person's intentions through their vibe given off, perhaps we are able to communicate between each other without the use of words. With the release of positive or negative energy we all hold inside us, we are able to produce this form of communication through the O in the Pol. With this knowledge, perhaps we will close the gap of what is capable as a sense in reality.